Hi friends, let us learn how to make a remote controlled boat at home without very easily and without any much expenditure. Here is one such boat made using old toy parts in thermocol. It can go forward, can go backward, it can turn right, turn left. What you need is an old toy remote control car or something which you might have bought for your kid long back. They break of very less quality and they break it very easily. And you can see there's a receiver board. There are two motors, one in the front, forward, backward. There's a small switch also, and there is left right motor. You remove the left right motor, the board, and the forward backward motor from the car. Also take out the switch. The board, this is one such board. You can see, sorry about that, you can see the left to right connections here, and this is the, here you can see forward, V plus, backward. So connect the forward backward motor into solder wire to the, and connect the battery positive to the V plus, negative to the V minus. Be careful giving the battery connection because that is having polarity. All other wires can be interchanged. Only thing is when you press forward it will go backward and backward will go forward, otherwise no difference. But battery, if you interchange, it may damage. And here is the left right connection, and just solder a small wire into the antenna. Here you can just solder it, that's it. There is no other connections, very easy. You can do it using a small soldering iron. And here is the small thermocol piece you need to cut 15 into 10 centimeters. Make a thermocol piece, you can there will be so many old thermocol pieces lying at home. Also make a similar smaller one to keep it above the boat. Glue it using the glue gun like this. And buy glue guns available for 350 rupees or less in Amazon, and some glue sticks, soldering iron I used. So just make the connections as I said. Here is the left right connection, left right connection given to the left right motor. Here is the forward backward connection, it goes the forward backward motor. The positive of the bat is connected to the positive of the battery through a switch. The switch is fixed here itself. On the car, remote control car itself, you will have the slot to fix the switch. And the negative is connected to the negative of the battery. So this battery chamber is from the car itself. I cut it from the car and kept it using a glue gun. You need to use the glue gun because if you use Fevicol or super glue, it will dissolve the thermocol. So better to use the glue gun. Once you make the connections, keep the switch on, you're ready to go. And you can also see some capacitor here. Do not remove them. That is required to protect the motor from heating, because these are all DC motors. It doesn't want any AC component to come in. So here is the same remote I have used, because remotes normally kids won't break it, only the car gets broken easily. It goes backward, forward, right and left. You can use it simultaneously, forward backward button. I'm just recording it with the handheld mobile, that's why. And the only thing you need to take care is sometimes when you press the forward backward button, the boat tends to move left or right. This boat was moving slightly left, so what I did is I slightly tapered the left side thermocol, so that when it pushes there is less resistance from water, and so that this side moves faster. In effect, it goes straight. Earlier it was going left, now it will go straight. But I had a slightly more problem. It was moving much left, maybe due to the counter rotation of the propeller. So I can see here I have connected the propeller slightly to the right from the center so that the motion is balanced. There are some grooves here. I didn't remove it because I thought it will help the straight line motion, because when it moves laterally there will be friction from the water here. So the channel will help the boat to go straight. And once you have done the connections and glued up everything properly, here I will use an additional piece to connect the propeller forward backward. It's a big one. You need not use such big ones. I just got it from another old toy, so I just used it. I adjusted the height so that it doesn't hit water. And you can get such small propeller easily from Amazon. And yeah, this is connected to the propeller using ballpoint refills, empty refill. Here I use a small metal piece. Here I use the ballpoint nib itself. It's very easy to connect. Once you are done this, just fix a antenna of the old car itself. Connect to the antenna wire here. That's it. Switch it on. You're ready to go. Here goes your boat. Your kid is happy and you're also happy because you don't have to spend anything much, and he got a new toy. That's it. Enjoy. Good day.